Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, present dignitaries, all beautiful and energetic faces. Welcoming you all. Namaste to you all. Today I am here to participate in Grand Public Speaking Championship 2025, which has been organized by Institute The Talk. My today's speech is about how to take care of your mental health, your emotional health. Because since beginning, as long as we can remember, we have been told by this society, this is what you can do, this is what you cannot do, this is what you are supposed to do, this is what you are not supposed to do. And over a period of time, we assume, and it goes actually deep in our subconscious, that yes, we have some limits and we act accordingly. But my dear friends, it's not true. As we take care of our physical health, we go to gym, we go to dance classes, we join yoga and whatnot to look good and to sing this song on reel, मैं इतनी सुंदर हूं मैं क्या करूं. We do everything possible. But my dear friends, do we ever care about our emotional health, our mental health? This is a serious question. I want you all to think about it, and I am telling you some ways so that in future you better manage your emotional and mental health. My dear friends, if you go for workout and you do intense and hardcore workout, our brain releases happy hormones like dopamine. And when you work out and come back after workout, you feel energetic, you feel positive, you feel good. So, in order to take care of your emotional health and mental health, workout is a must. And the second thing is you must set a healthy boundary for yourself. If somebody is coming and saying any appalling word to you, you must be aware that it could be biased, it could be planned. And I'm not here to work on someone else's plan. I'm here to live my own life. I'm here to take the charge of my own life. So you must set a healthy boundary, be it your family members, be it your friends, be it anybody else in this world. You tell them clearly, you don't tell me who am I. I know who am I. If I do good, I don't need to be worried. And the third thing is always respect your time, because the only one weapon we have is our time. When it's gone, everything is gone. So you must take care of your emotional health. And my dear friends, it is said that dare to dream and learn to excel. So if you are learning new art, new skills, like we are learning new skill which is called speaking English with Webstock. So apart from all learnings, you must learn how to take care of your emotional health, because trust me, you are the most important person in your life. What's the point of this universe? What's the point of this cosmos? Or what's the point of anything else if you are not here? You must be getting my point. So, in future, I want you all, as you take care of your physical body, you must take care of your emotional health and mental health, because this is so important for you all. Wishing you all Good luck and bestest future ahead. Thank you so much for listening to me.